Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most of the with. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you fortune. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. The challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude, be kind but not weak, be bold but not bully, be thoughtful but not lazy, be humble but not timid, be proud but not arrogant, have humor but without folly. We must all suffer from one of 2 pains, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is discipline weighs ounces while regret weighs tons. Let others lead small lives, but not you. Let others argue over small things, but not you. Let others cry over small hurts, but not you. Let others leave their future in someone else's hands, but not you. Successful people have libraries, the rest have big screen TVs. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. When you know what you want, and you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to get it. Either you run the day or the day runs you. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for ordinary. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. If you don't like how things are, change it. You are not a tree. Your life does not get better by chance. It will get better by change. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying basic fundamentals. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will never grow from it. Success recipe: 2 cups faith, 2 cups love, 1 cup hard work, 1 cup persistence, 1 TBSP vision, and a dash of swagger. Hope you liked these quotes, as there is so much wisdom and effort put in it. If so, please watch my other videos as well, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.